Honourable Charity Ighodalo Aigubarueghian Esquire, wey be majority leader and member wey dey represent Ovia North East 1 Constituency for Edo State House of Assembly, on 16 September 2023, don gather the Nigeria Automobile Technician Association, Market Women Association, Farmers Association, National Association of Nigerian Students, SUG Uniben, National Union of Road Transport Workers, Road Transport Employers Association of Niger, Keke Riders Association, Edo State Security Network, and other ogbonge people of Ovia North East for College of Education Hall Ekiadolo to take rub mind with them to know wetin dem need and how they wan make take work for them. Honourable Charity tok say him call for the meeting sake of the upcoming 2024 budget presentation, make e know wetin people want so that he go put am for the upcoming budget.
They are here today, even with the shortest notice. If I tell the people from Ekiadolo to rise now, you will see that the other people will not see why Ekiadolo is how it is. So I will not tell you to rise, except to say that I'm very proud of you. I'm so happy that you are here, and may God bless all of you. We'll continue to grow together. You see all those things that are remaining, we will do all of them. You see our children that doesn't have work, they will all get work. So we called those people who will be able to present to us a blueprint of what is expected from us going forward. And this is the most auspicious time for it, because we want to be able to impute whatever you tell me today into the 2024 budget that is right before the House of Assembly. So we are here to thank everybody here, very important personality. All your effort is not in vain. We recognize all of it. We thank you for coming. We thank you for recognizing us. We recognize you individually and collectively. Even those that are not here, please note that we are very grateful for the support that you gave us, because all these things I'm saying would not have been possible if Ebo from Uye World have not done that which God said go and do, so that Uye World will be second only to Adolo World in the election that produced me. I'm grateful for all of us coming here. I want us to be sincere in talking to us. Those pains that we have, that is making us not to enjoy the government as we should, let us express it. While we are not saying that they will be solved immediately, we are saying that we will put them in archive and solve them one after the other. We are going to do so much that we will be so happy that we sent a representative indeed to the House of Assembly. The reason we are here is that you will see the man you sent to the House of Assembly. He will tell you what he has been doing in the House of Assembly. You will tell him what you want him to do. I don't want to be doing something based on what I like. I want to be doing something based on what you want. That way, there will be a collaboration. We'll be meeting needs. So I want you to tell me what you want, and I will tell you what I've been doing.
One of the speakers wey be local government chairman Ovia North East, Collins Osawede, for im speech tok say he tell Charity say he no go fail and disappoint them, and come still beg the people of Ovia North East say make dem not fail Charity but stand by am, and also say na PDP get Edo State and na working party wey no go fail.
I'm happy to be here. When I see the crowd, in fact, I know our performing, our speaking majority leader. I know during his electionary campaign, starting from his primary, during his nomination, I told him and I vouched for him. I said, I know you will not fail us. I know you will represent us very well. And he's doing that today. From what he has been doing, I know he has never disappointed us. In fact, he has even done more than our expectation in less than 6 months in office. My brother, you are a wonderful and a distinguished honorable member. Ovia North East, in fact, House of Assemblies I think you are performing a miracle. For the very first time, a town hall meeting is being organized. I think you are among every other members who has represented us. I know they have done well in their various capacity, but the man we have seen here today, I think in less than 6 months, and I don't even know if they are existing, because if you look at it from the world level, our SAs, SSAs, councillors, House of Assembly members, supervisory councillors, council chairman, vice chairman, honorable commissioner, the governor of Edo State, I think all of us, we are all members of PDP. Not we get the state. So it's just PDP and others. Put them together, all of them, they are not even up to one. Please, rally around with us at all time, support us, bring in your suggestion, so that we can always cross-fertilize ideas on how we can move or perform better. I've always told you, if you watch our video from the local government level, in less than 100 days in office, for those ones that went with us last week, Thursday, you discovered that if you go to, let me just throw some of our achievements as well, because this is PDP. So it's a party that is working. We will not disappoint you people. In less than 100 days in office, go to Odiase Primary School in Agekpano. A 3 classroom built, completed, and to standard. An office. Go to O1. The primary school, 3 classroom, is fully renovated. These are little, so let me leave others. But PDP as a party, we will not disappoint you. We will make you people proud. Let's join hands with our brother, our performing brother, who has represented us well. He has made us proud.
The guest speaker, Dr. Shola Okukpolo, for her speech come talk say she don see say Ovia North East dey political conscious. They know they send the wrong person sake of say Charity na their son and na person wey know wetin dem dey go through. Dr. Shola come still list and explain to them their roles and how Honorable Charity go fit help the people.
See una say una dey very political conscious for this place, and that's a good thing. I see women wey dey here, all of una gather here, and na so politics supposed to be in this present age and time. When we go send our children message, we no go just send them message, no ask them say how the message be. You know, see Honorable Charity talk and just now say, he no just become honorable overnight. Me sef don follow him journey, and una no do wrong by electing him. Person wey be one of una, understand una pains, understand una challenges. I believe even born in this community, correct? So una not send the wrong person. Make it go bear message. And una dey see am for television, right? Yes. The man no go sit down there, go dey chop cola or go dey sleep. The man is doing, in fact, on Monday or Tuesday, we are going to be appearing before you. We don't dey panic down, because the man go ask question. Wetin you dey do for my people? How you take dey help them? But wetin I wan do for here today be say I wan explain to una before Honorable go talk. Wetin be una role in making sure say this our constituency develop? No be just to vote alone, right? No be just to vote say at the time for elections all of us go polling booth, we go vote. Development pass to vote person in. It's important say we know, you know say constituency be like family, no be so? E get role of, so father and mother go born pikin, no be just to born that pikin alone. How the pikin go take go school, how the pikin go take chop, how the pikin go take dress, so that when the parents don old, that pikin go be pikin wey everybody go dey proud of, correct? And can we clap for him? You know why we dey clap for am? Some children, you go send them message, they no go come back. Once, you know, Once they just say, go buy bread, you go just go play ball. You begin finance, say, where oh boy? But we send our pikin go House of Assembly. And the man say, look, I've been there for a while. I want to hear from una. I don't want just to do wetin I like. As una send me message, I want dey sure say, wetin una send me, na wetin I dey do. No be everybody dey do this. No be every, even at federal level, we go talk say, don't just vote for me. After voting for me, talk to me. Make una clap for am again. Yes. The rule or the law wey go favor us, ilele, now we want to make it do. How can we bring development to this place? Not just whether he is there or not. How can we make sure that even after he's no longer there, this constituency is recognized? That's number one. Number two, be say, the things where they pay us for this place. Some people go ITV, then go they cry, then take my farmland. Now you work with that. You know, they hear me so? We not go tell them the thing where they do now, we not they right. Whether within or without, you cry to your representative. We don't like this thing. Now your job to go House of Assembly on the floor of the house and say, my people have sent me. I don't like as they treat them like this. We have a lot of domestic violence, gender violence. No be just to cry for house. You go tell them so that they go enact laws to protect the girl child. How many of you know say, for example, now, it is important that every child must be in school. Are you aware of that? Yes. Every child. My own work now be say, even every adult must be in school. Yes, so my work now be say, whether you be a dede or you must sabi to read and write. Una go tell am make him make sure say we get center for this constituency. Correct? Yes. Hold our children accountable. Cultism don't chop us finish. Cultism, they don't chop us. And now all of us here now they responsible. Because no pikin born himself. Abi you get what any pikin appear, you just wake up say, oh boy, where you come from? All of us now born am. Honorable go do in part, but the part where everybody here go do be say, going forward, you see we have young students from Unibe. We're supposed to get more. If una not train this man well, una go send a message. Who una won't send in 20 years after this man? Now be my question for una. Who una person where the thief una won't send, or who not go school? It means we must go back, all of us, as members of this constituency. Not be just to chop rice and to drink mineral. If you go some constituencies, there's unity, irrespective of party affiliation. Whether PDP, whether APC, now one family at the end of the day. Now this community now must grow at the end of the day. Make we go back home. Our children, if you go federal civil service, for example, they go say Hausa people, Yoruba people. May I tell you why? They quick put their children for inside. Quick. Before they say I want to, they don't enter that place. So in another 20 years, you go see that small boy will enter service. He don't become big man. We must send our children back to such settings. Not be say money not good though, but money will not get foundation, it not the last. It not the last. And if we not send our children to where they can make decisions that will affect us, at the end of the day, the strangers will rule us. I want to talk one last thing. Now we say, when they do things for us as constituents, maybe they take care of them. When they hear me, what did I talk? Anything where government do for us, now our own. You know, say during this, is it NSAS? No, not NSAS. During this Naira Wahala, people come they burn houses, then they burn banks. My question be say, the bank where you they burn so, not be me go still go there. The road where you they put tire, when the quota go melt, not be go turn to pothole. Who go drive inside? Not be me and you. That what they call for worry or do my do body. We go do like that again? No.
Honourable Charity can't give opportunity to some of the people where they represent each ward to take talk wetin dem need. His Royal Highness Omoruyi Maswe, Enogi of Utekon Community, Barrister F.I. Uwadia, Andrew Obasuyi, and many others can't chook mouth on how they wan make Honourable Charity fit help them. Honourable Charity, for in response to the people request, come assure the people of Ovia North East say he go address the issues. He cause it talk say them go activate the skill acquisition center wey dey for Oluku, and he go empower 41 women with 50,000 naira each. 6 women each from the 6 wards from Ovia North East Constituency 1 wey be Uhen Ward, Isiowa Ward, Utoka Ward, Oluku Ward, Ofuwegbe Ward, Adolo Ward, without say them no pay interest.
The gully erosion in Igbo, as mentioned by my brother, that is threatening or already swallowing houses, is man-made. It's man-made. It did not happen on its own. What I know when I was growing up is that if you want to carry sand to build a house, they will go to river and dig river sand. We call it sharp sand. All of a sudden, people will just go to a flat land and start digging. They will start carrying sand. No environmental impact assessment. Meanwhile, where they are doing this thing, people are resident there. They will not talk. By the time the challenge come, government come, with what money? Let us tell ourselves the truth. Why did you not stop that person that is digging your backyard? Because you know that when your backyard is dug and water is flowing, gully will come. Is that not true? Who doesn't know? So they have done it. Problem have come now. You are not calling government. The person who collected the money, did government collect that money? No. Why are we punishing ourselves? Can we be so cowardly as to lose our life? One of the first things I learned as a human being is that self-preservation is the first law of nature. Can they kill all of us at the same time? Somebody will come to your backyard and be causing you hardship. You can't talk. You can't say no. Is it because they give us one small bribe? Or because we don't know that this thing will be injurious to us? I want to plead with us to help you. Igbo mentality. We have taken note of that. We will aggravate it and make sure that the necessary authorities do what they should do. But I want to also tell you that as we speak, the approval for the construction of Ugboke Primary School has been granted in that same ward. Ugboke Primary School, yes. And again, when I was going to do election, a week to, the governor called me. Charity, what do you want me to do for you to win election? I said, sir, construct the road between Ekiadolo and Aigubarueghian. I was still in Benin 2 days after when my brother Sunday Odiase, aka Caesar, called me that activities are happening here. Machines are already doing the road. What happened? Somebody was able to mention to the right authority. And I know that the road is ongoing, including the inland, that is the town road, the township road in Okoko. It's being constructed by the state government. I want you people to know, it's not magic. Our brother also made the point that there is no secondary school in Ofuwegbe ward as a whole. I will use the opportunity to also speak to our brother, the councillor representative of Ofuwegbe ward, that I will give you this as an assignment to remind me so that we speak with the commissioner for education, who is also a very dear friend of mine, and see how that is achieved in the shortest term. So
Honourable Charity, Collins Osamede, local government chair, Mo of Ovia North East, Monday Osegbovo, and other ogbonge pipo wey tanda for the meeting come tell tori pipo on how dem see the matter.
Growing up, I've always had this intention to participate in government. And I know that participation is not only about being an elective office, it also means your ability to assess those that are in government. And that has been lacking. That vacuum has been there over time. So as somebody that has been interested in government all this while, I've always had that nagging that there is a void that is not filled. So upon the gracious election into this position by the people of Ovia North one constituency, even before then as I was campaigning, I used to tell them that I'm not going there to subsume your wish under mine, but I'm going there to ensure that that which you desire is articulated through me. So, and in articulating people's desire through you must have a forum to get them pour it out of you, how they see it and how they feel it. And the only way to do that is through a meeting like this, a town hall meeting, where people are given the leeway without any inhibition to talk as they will. So there's no form of censor. Say it as you feel it, and that is what we saw happening here today. And I'm happy that we are able to achieve it under an environment of conviviality, under an environment of peace, where people are able to speak on their own without having to shout down anybody. And my happiness is that what they express as their needs is essentially the same thing as we are thinking as the duties of the government towards them. Most of the issues that were raised for implementation, I'm happy to tell you that they are already in the draft bill for the appropriation law that is already before the House of Assembly. Those that are not there will make effort to incorporate them inside, so that at the end of the day, it will be a case of wishes met. Myself, I'm a graduate. By God's grace, I went to school not with very rich background. I was able to sponsor, my parents were able to sponsor me through school with very limited resources. So it was really very difficult for me. And as a result of that, I've always had this nag to always support anybody that have genuine need, what we call indigent students. And it's not difficult to know. You cannot be asking me to pay your school fees of say 50,000 when you come with an iPhone 4. You have disqualified yourself. This is not it's not an expo, because that is not the only way I will know. But I am very sure that as a discerning mind, there is no way I'm not able to determine a person that actually need 100,000 and the one that wants it for the purpose of exorbitant behavior.
I think the town hall meeting has been very, very productive. Getting a feedback from the people you are representing, is quite commendable. You see how people have been cross-fertilizing ideas, and they have brought in a lot of suggestions, and the honourable member has also responded. So I think this one is a very good one, and I also encourage him to keep it up, so that as soon as we can always be meeting always. Of course, like we from local government angle, we move from ward to ward. On monthly basis, we sponsor ward meetings. So whenever they fix the ward meeting, we join them at the ward level, hold meeting with the party and the people. So we also get a feedback from them. So our is on monthly basis.
Majority leader in the Edo State House of Assembly called a constituency meeting, or normally referred to as town hall meeting, which he promised that he will be doing. I think this is not the first one. I don't want to go further when people were saying first one. He has called one in each of the wards, which I know when he was doing thank you visit. The 6 wards, he went around and called such meetings. And this one was to enable him get feedback from that and then, like he said, get information on what the people need so that by next year budget, the one he can fix in, he will fix them in. You saw that it was a successful meeting. We were expecting maybe 20 people per ward. This hall is over 100 capacity hall, and it was filled to capacity by the 6 wards. We were also happy with the presence of the area commander and the DPO, and then our vigilantes and constabulary. The Enegade also came in, and some chiefs. Even there are others who were not politicians. They are also here. And then there are also no civil servants, which shows that it was really a constituency meeting, which you heard from the beginning to the end. We have deliberated and have ended. And to crown it up, 6 women per ward were given 50,000 naira each. They are not to return that money back to him, but they should form what we will refer to as cooperative society, so that they can also give that money to the next person for trading. So that by the next 4 years, if it's with me for 3 months and I'm giving it out in 3 months' time, you would now know the number of people that have benefited from the 50,000 naira.
It is a very meaningful one. Today, the town hall meeting held at the school here, Kadolo, is a very peaceful and useful one. You see, there are functions of House of Assembly majority leader. He has a lot to do. Synergizing and coming out today to let people tell him what they want is very, very important. And I believe the whole people, they heard their views. And he accepted, he understands the whole thing. And we are all waiting to see what he's going to do as to sanitize and meet up the obligations of the people.
I come to this meeting today. The meeting is very good. We also express ourselves concerning various communities here in Ovia Northeast, Ovia Ward. By today we came here, like especially in my community, I announced that my secondary school roofing is so very bad. Even the primary school, the same thing. We have a center that was built since 1982. The health center is no more working. For the past 12, 13 years back, the health center is no more functioning. I also ask that they can also help us for our health center in Utekon community. Then I even mentioned road. They even said that maybe they can even do grading of my road, non to tie. But what they said, that my old project is already been announced to them. I even thank God today that as I came to this meeting, what I heard today is a very nice to me or to my community.
One of the beneficiaries, Irene Aigubarueghian, contact Honorable Charity for empowering the women and still offer word of prayers to them.
For empowering the women, because when you empower a woman, you make that woman to stand firm, both in the home, outside home, and even in politics. Then you see the woman now having interest to appear more in political matters. I will thank him. I pray that God grant him good health, long life, for him to do all that he desires to do for Ovia North East Constituency. We see him as a leader indeed, a man of his ways, that all that he promised he will do, he has even done, let me say, 75% of it. And that is why we are always standing by him when he say, women come, oh, we the women of Oluku and all the women of Ovia North East. I stand to represent Oluku Ward woman leader. So all the women leaders are solidly behind him in Ovia North East.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Ovia North East Constituency 1, Ekiadolo, Edo State. Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.